Welcome to the ultimate Antalya, Turkey travel guide. If you're wondering how to make the most of 5 days in this incredible city that blends history, culture, and modern charm, you're in the right place. Antalya, Turkey's stunning southern belle, is an alluring mix of vibrant bazaars, ancient ruins, and sun-kissed beaches. Sandwiched between the Taurus Mountains and the azure waters of the Mediterranean, it's a place where history and natural beauty intertwine in a captivating dance. Over the next 5 days, we'll take you on a journey through time, from the cobbled streets of the old town Kaleiçi to the majestic Düden waterfalls, the ancient Aspendos theatre, the panoramic views from Konyaaltı, and finally a serene boat trip to Kekova. We'll also make sure you have plenty of time to soak up the sun on Antalya's beautiful beaches. So buckle up as we set out to explore the vibrant city of Antalya. Scene script. Day 1 takes us to the heart of the city, the old town of Kaleiçi, and the historic Hadrian's Gate. Kaleiçi, often referred to as the Old Town, is a treasure trove of history nestled within the modern city of Antalya. It's a place where you can take a leisurely stroll through narrow winding streets, with each turn revealing a new facet of the city's rich history. The streets are lined with historic houses, each one a testament to the intricate Ottoman architecture. These houses, some of which have been transformed into boutique hotels, are a blend of stone and wood, their balconies adorned with vibrant bougainvillea flowers. But it's not all about the past. These streets are also home to charming cafes and bistros where you can sit back and watch the world go by. Picture yourself sipping a traditional Turkish tea, the aroma mingling with the scent of the sea as you take in the hustle and bustle of the old town. From the old town, we transition to Hadrian's Gate, a triumphal arch that has stood the test of time. Built in the 2nd century to honor the Roman Emperor Hadrian, this gate is a magnificent blend of marble and granite. The 3-arched gate, adorned with ornate carvings, is a testament to the grandeur of Roman architecture. Standing beneath it, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and respect for the artisans who crafted this masterpiece centuries ago. A day in Kaleiçi is like stepping back in time, a chance to immerse yourself in the city's history. At the same time, Hadrian's Gate stands as a symbol of the city's rich past, a reminder of the many civilizations that have left their mark on this region. So as the sun sets over the Mediterranean and the lights of the old town start to twinkle, it's time to retreat to the comfort of your hotel. After a day of strolling through history, it's time to rest up for tomorrow's adventure. On day 2, we're trading city streets for nature's wonders at Düden Waterfalls and later the relaxing Konyaaltı beach. As dawn breaks, we find ourselves at the breathtaking Düden Waterfalls, a true spectacle that Mother Nature has generously bestowed upon Antalya. Towering at a height of about 20 meters, the waterfalls cascade down into a deep gorge, creating a symphony that echoes through the valley. It's a visual sonnet, where every droplet plays a note, crafting a melody that's as soothing as it is invigorating. The lush greenery surrounding the falls paints a picturesque backdrop, making it a natural oasis amidst the city's hustle and bustle. The misty veil that the waterfalls create is a refreshing treat, especially during the hot summer days. It's the perfect place to relax, soak up the beauty, and maybe even capture a few postcard-perfect pictures. As we leave the mesmerizing beauty of Düden waterfalls behind, we journey towards the serene haven of Konyaaltı Beach. The beach, stretching over 7 kilometers, is a ribbon of shimmering sand and shimmering turquoise waters. It's a place where the Aegean Sea whispers tales of the ancients to the shore, while the majestic Taurus Mountains stand as silent spectators in the backdrop. The beach is an idyllic spot for those seeking tranquility, but it's also a playground for the adventure seekers. Whether you choose to bask in the sun, take a leisurely swim, or indulge in water sports, Konyaaltı Beach has something for everyone. And let's not forget the vibrant beachfront, lined with cafes and restaurants, offering a taste of the local cuisine. As the day ebbs away and the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, we find ourselves reminiscing about our day amidst nature's wonders. The soothing sound of the waterfalls, the tranquil beach, and the taste of the sea salt on our lips all become memories etched into our hearts. As the sun sets on our 2nd day, we're ready to dive deeper into Antalya's history. Day 3 takes us back in time to the Aspendos Theatre and the ancient city of Perge. As we journey to the heart of ancient Roman civilization in Asia Minor, we discover two of Antalya's most remarkable archaeological treasures. First stop, the Aspendos Theatre, a striking testament to the architectural prowess of the Romans. Built in the 2nd century by architect Zeno, the theatre is one of the best preserved examples of Roman theatre architecture in the world. Imagine the echoes of applause resonating from its steep stone tiers, which once held an audience of up to 8,000 spectators. From drama to gladiatorial combat, the theatre was the beating heart of Aspendos, a place of spectacle and emotion. The genius of its design lies in its acoustics. A whisper on stage can be heard even at the topmost row, a feat of engineering that continues to inspire awe. Today, the Aspendos Theatre is more than just a relic of the past. It's a living monument, hosting international opera and ballet festivals that draw performers and audiences from around the globe. From Aspendos, we journey on to Perge, an ancient city that dates back to the Bronze Age. Once a bustling Roman metropolis, Perge is now a sprawling archaeological site, its ruins whispering tales of a bygone era. From the grand Hellenistic gate to the long colonnaded streets, Perge is a city frozen in time. Perhaps the most striking feature of Perge is its stadium, one of the largest and best preserved in Anatolia. With a capacity of 12,000 spectators, it stands as a monument to the city's love for athletic competitions. As we wander through the remnants of bathhouses, agoras and temples, we're reminded of the city's former grandeur and the rich tapestry of history that has been woven into every stone. As we leave the ruins behind, we're ready for a change of scenery, but the echoes of the past continue to resonate, a haunting melody that lingers in the air, a timeless testament to the enduring allure of Antalya's ancient heritage. Day 4 is all about breathtaking views and relaxation as we take a cable car to Konyaaltı and later unwind at Lara Beach. As the sun rises on day 4, we're off on an exhilarating ride on a cable car to Konyaaltı. Imagine floating above the city, gliding smoothly through the air as Antalya's stunning landscape unfolds beneath us. We're climbing to a staggering 760 meters, where the panoramic views are nothing short of spectacular. From this vantage point, you can see the sprawling city, the azure blue Mediterranean Sea, and the majestic Taurus mountains that surround us. It's a sight that will truly take your breath away. Once we've soaked in the views and captured enough pictures to fill a gallery, we're heading to the luxurious Lara Beach. Known for its golden sands and crystal clear waters, Lara Beach is the perfect place to unwind. Picture yourself lounging on a sunbed with a refreshing drink in hand, gazing out at the endless expanse of the sea. Ah, the life. But it's not just about relaxation. Lara Beach is also home to some of the city's best beach clubs where you can indulge in delicious food and drink and even partake in some water sports if you're feeling adventurous. The atmosphere is vibrant and the energy is infectious. After a day of rest and relaxation, we're ready to embark on our final day of exploration. On our final day, we're setting sail to Kekova and stepping back in time at Myra ancient city. The day begins with a boat trip to Kekova, an island shrouded in mystery and allure. Here, beneath the turquoise waters, lies a sunken city, a testament to nature's power and mankind's resilience. The sunken ruins, visible through the crystal clear waters, are a haunting yet beautiful sight. They whisper tales of ancient civilizations, their lives, their dreams, their inevitable encounters with nature's might. As the boat gently rocks on the waves, one cannot help but marvel at these underwater relics, a world frozen in time beneath the sea. From the enigmatic waters of Kekova, we journey to the Myra ancient city, a place that echoes with the footsteps of the past. This ancient city, once bustling with life, now stands silent and magnificent, its stone structures and tombs a testament to the grandeur of bygone eras. The impressive amphitheater, the rock-cut tombs carved into the cliff face, each detail of Myra tells a story of the people who once called this place home. As our journey comes to an end, we're left with memories of a city that's as rich in history as it is in modern charm. Until next time, happy travels.